disappear and come back on this whole ball is, first of all, I did the most with that damn deodorant just now. Mind your business. I really feel like if I was a bald bitch, I'd kind of be a cute bitch. Just a little bit. If my forehead was smaller, because y'all have no idea how much of this wig cap is covering up my forehead. Let's apply my wig though. Before you say anything, yes, it was just chilling there. I just want to say I'm editing this video right now, and it really is kind of just for entertainment purposes, but it is to let y'all know about Creators of the South, because this channel is about to go up and my team's channel is about to go up. Stay tuned, y'all. Like, I'm really excited for what y'all are about to see, but let's get back to the video. Oh my goodness. Maybe y'all deserve to see me like this as punishment for not doing no damn videos. What's punishment is I just came on here without my wig and I had spots on my mirror. I saw it. I'll clean it. Mind your business. I was about to say, now I have company. Creators of the South, shout it out. Period. Purr. I love seeing motivated people. I just feel like my armpits are really white right now. Please mind your business. I'm not even gonna glue this down, or like, yes, I am gonna glue it down. No, can I sue? I thought my flower was open. I was about to say, embarrassing. I just want to make sure y'all gonna see me for real, because this should be trying to play with me sometimes. I filmed a whole video one time, right? Whole time. I mean, I finished the shit and all. You can't even see me. Whole time. You know, people really be doing the most to like apply their wigs, because I feel like this, what I'm about to do right now, is enough. Because you know it's a wig sitting on my head, so what am I gonna sit here and take 10 and 20 hours to make it look like it's not real? I'll make it look good. I'm trying to make sure. Oh my goodness. Please, sis, please. Okay, next thing I'm thinking about getting though, equipment wise, is a mic. No, I'm really thinking about getting a camera and a MacBook. I always said that I'll get stuff to like profit off my channel. Like a MacBook and an actual camera and all that. I'll get that when I'm actually making profit from YouTube. Because other than that, right now, I don't need that. Like, my ring light and my phone is good enough. And I have 2 phones, honestly, just because of YouTube, for real. Like, I went and upgraded just for that reason. We do not care. Y'all seen that TikTok?
We do not care.
I don't even know why I did that, because I needed that water. I'm not even going nowhere. I really just am doing this for the purpose of the video, for real. Like, I am supposed to be telling y'all some stuff though. Recently, I started joining with some other YouTubers here in the South. We've actually created a team. Maybe that water's loud. We've actually created a team, and it's called Creators of the South. It's actually kind of lit. I've met some lit people. Everybody's pretty motivated. Everybody's really nice. And everybody's on the road to success, and that's what we need. Motivation. We need people who want to do like things. You feel me? Like, it's cool to have, you know, friends, but I've been saying for a minute, you know, I really want to find that group of people that really just want to do what I want to do. Not to say like I want to ditch my friends or anything, like I need a new friend group, but networking, you know, it's good to be around and surround yourself around people who are doing things if you find yourself doing things with, you know what the fuck I'm trying to say. Stop playing with me. But I'm really excited. Seriously, I think it could really work out for real. It started off on Facebook. I actually met Kia on Facebook, and it was something, I think she was just asking for people to post their channels and do a sub for sub or watch hours or something like that. And her content just really stuck out to me. Speaking of, she just texted me. That's crazy. Look. Purr. Yeah. So, but anyway, that is all I do. And then let me show y'all something. Little hat, or whatever. I would curl this hair. I'm not going anywhere, y'all, so I'm not gonna really do all that. Okay. Oh, y'all see that? Okay, period. And it's not even glued down, and it doesn't look that bad to me. I think it looks good. This wig is from one of my local beauty supply stores, but it's a Bellatique wig. It is Brazilian Remy, and I really like the hair. I've used Bellatique for years, actually. That was my prom hair. I have another short bob wig. You guys have probably seen it on my Instagram and that brand. And then this one, and it does not shed like, okay, this brush, it has, I'm not even gonna show y'all because it looks kind of nasty, but it has hair in it. But like literally, if I was using my last wig, no offense, I don't even know what brand it was, but if I was using that last wig, was that the same fucking wig? Brand? I don't know. I had a different texture, but anyway, the brush would have been fucking filled. I can't talk. The brush would have been full. Yeah. There was really no point in this video besides me trying to really let y'all know about Creators of the South and to really let y'all know that the new content that's coming is gonna be fucking bomb. I recently started doing this look, and then you get the gloss. I don't know if y'all can see that. It's not the best. I'm not a makeup guru. Don't. But I know y'all see the transformation from what it was at the beginning of this video to the end of me putting my hair on, because I just thought y'all didn't even see all this earlier. I did all that earlier. Okay, yeah. Subscribe, hit that like button. Know that I'm going to be on my channel, period, because I have my child. Y'all are going to meet my son. I'm here to make shit happen. We lit. Okay? We lit. Creators of the South, period.